2月27日是国际北极熊日，不过地球暖化、海冰扬起，北极熊的妈妈无法度找只幼囝，未来这北极熊要生团就会更较硬斗。
这阵几个月大的细只北极熊，到目前为止依然受满卖保护，因讲是正幸运。这段期间亲子关系更较强化。这阵北极熊科学家为2016年开始，就伫遮观察记录。
Female polar bears dig in under the snow. It accumulates up over them. They give birth to their cubs in the middle of winter, feeding on their mother's milk. They grow very quickly, but they do need kind of 3 to 4 months to put on that body weight. They're about 20 times larger when they leave the den. They've got a full coat of fur.
科学家发现细只北极熊伫洞内踮1礼拜到几啊礼拜，第一摆出现，佮行出来了后，佮会转去伫洞内平均踮伫遐12日左右，因需要一个稳定的成长环境。
It's a critical time, and that's likely due to allowing cubs to develop, acclimatize to the cold outside. They move around, they start to strengthen their muscles, develop motor skills as well.
冒险都有长久影响，若是摇过头提早出来找物件食，也找无。
Because seal pups are also being born in and around April, May time. So that's when polar bear mothers can actually get onto the ice. We know that polar bears depend on sea ice. So if we continue seeing sea ice loss, we'd expect to start to see some changes into the future because it's such an essential component of their life cycle.
科学家表示，伫洞内成长是细只北极熊一生中上脆弱的时间，无到50%因成功大汉。这洞就亲像一个安全的用地区，互因大汉。相关研究日前伫野生动物管理期刊发表，这一日也是国际北极熊日。北极熊是北极地区的象征性动物，不过因为气候变迁，北极地区气温一直升悬，加速海冰扬起，互因生存受严重的考验。北极熊的生存危机甲全球的气候变迁，拢是正重要问题。除了国际之间共同合作，也应该透过政策制定推动绿色转型，将为北极熊打造永续的家园。公司新闻，恩文玲编译。